Alright, so I'm back. I've got this to a closer voltage. So what I took out of there. The only reason I'm making all these short videos and doing it like this is because I want Mr. R to see everything that I am doing. These are the volts we're at now, which is way closer to the 16.70. Oh, did you see it jump up to 70? There we go. To the 16.7 that we are at the desired voltage of the other supplies. So that's good. So I've done that. I did not just shortcut it and leave it like it was. Now I don't know how this voltage value was checked with the supply being in 220 and not even coming on. It could have accidentally been switched back over to 220 by accident. There's no telling. I'm not here to say one way or another. All I am doing is checking everything and just let Mr. R know my findings. The repair, when it was repaired by another builder. Now, with that being said, I'm going to say 73 to y'all. Oh, alright, so that wasn't so bad. We got desired voltage. We're going to pop this thing in here and we're going to get back to work. And there'll be more little short videos or longer ones or whatever as it progresses, as the repair progresses. Anyway, that's where we're at. Had to check all that. 73s, everyone. Y'all have a great day. It's raining here in Alabama. Like always, it seems like anymore. I'll catch y'all later. Fat Cat Ants, Alley Cat Town, Alabama. And I'm gone.